Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you the Aura O7 Lightning Cat maintenance schedule, but this is for the long range, which means the base model in Malaysia, the most affordable one in Malaysia. So that's the one, they call it the base model in Malaysia. So that one, go online and search what's the base model. It costs 169,800 ringgit for the car. So 169,800 ringgit for the car. But this is the maintenance schedule for it. I got it from GWM, and they gave it to me because I was interested to buy the car, and I wanted to know what is the information that I should know when I want to maintain it as an owner, right? So here we have all the items that they're going to service, the parts. These are the part numbers, the quantity of the items, how many, the price of it in retail, and then this is the months up to 10 years on the right here. So the first year it will cost 111 ringgit, and then you have the labor charges 150 and the tax 12. So the total cost is 273. Second year is with the brake fluid $37. .4 XTT.4, not sure if EV use a different brake fluid, have to check that with the mechanic. But labor charges is 170 ringgit and tax is 1360, 300 ringgit. Third year is 111, and then this one you have the transmission oil, which is a bit weird for EV. Maybe they have a different transmission system and they put they have to put oil as well. So after 3 years, you're gonna change the oil. Ooh, interesting. And then they have the shim and oil inlet, 33 ringgit. So this will cost 668 ringgit and 20 cents. For the fourth year is 111 plus 33 plus 320. This is for the coolant for the AC and E-drive. Interesting. I'm not sure what that is. $748.80. For the fifth year, 111 ringgit. So just like the first year, and the sixth year onwards, just like the second year, the what do you call this, is the seventh year, 84 months, 111 plus 319. Transmission oil again, and then also 33 for that shim oil inlet. So 668, and then repeat again the same thing on the 8th year, 111.37, 320, 748.80 cents. And for the 9th year, 111 ringgit only. Wow, it's affordable, right? Just 111 ringgit service for the entire of the 9th year. 273. Oh, I think by the 9th year you can go to the independent mechanic and ask him to do for like I don't know what's this, AC filter. I can do for 50 ringgit, right? You might not go to GWM in 9th year, but yeah, since it's so affordable, why not just go to GWM, right? And then on the 10th year, 111 ringgit plus 37, 331.60 cent. And they say here the prices are subject to notice to change without prior notice, but yeah, this is the schedule, maintenance schedule. So yeah, if you want to know how much it all costs for 10 years, 4,547 ringgit and 80 cents. Divide by, don't need to divide lah, 4,500 ringgit for 10 years. That's 120 months. Oh yeah, should divide that by 120 months. That is 37 ringgit and 89 cents every month you pay to take care of your Aura 07 Lightning Cat. That beautiful car that you know about, and that's why you're watching this video, because you want to know the maintenance schedule. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful car. Why not just buy it, right? I'm gonna buy this car in the future when I have enough money to save up for the, for the ownership. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just give it a like, yeah, and how many people like to watch this kind of stuff. And yeah, this is a one of a kind video. I think since there's nobody else doing this kind of video, so I just did it. So I want to share with all of you how much it costs to take care of this beautiful car for 10 years. Thank you so much for watching.